Hello, welcome back to Dr. Business. Welcome back to my channel. Today, a small review that was not supposed to be done because yesterday I was trying my new GH5 and mainly to autofocus and the image stabilization with the 12 to 35 millimeters lens. But here close to the St. Lawrence River, when I walked through the shore, very close to the St. Lawrence River, I heard something incredible. So you could not see anything move because the ice pack is really packed. But what you could hear yesterday was absolutely amazing. So I said, okay, this Rode mic, the first Rode Mic Pro, the oldest version, was on the GH5. That was the microphone that I use. And I asked myself, will this microphone pick up everything that I was hearing? So for the next few minutes, I just put the rig down with my monopod. Straight at the St. Lawrence River, you will see the Pont Québec right in front of you. And I just recorded the sound. So if you're asking yourself what this microphone can do, this microphone was at 0 dB because you have plus 20 and minus 10, but the microphone was at 0. So listen to this and maybe you will have some answers on the quality of Rode mics. So thank you very much for watching. See you in the next video. See you in the next reviews. So take care, thumbs up, subscribe if you like my videos, and see you in the next one.